What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make popcorn. So I've got my organic coconut oil and my white popcorn kernels and my little sauce pot here with a clear lid. Clear lid's better because then you can see actually what's going on. But so you want to set your stove on high, and then you want to just fill the pot, just a single layer of popcorn kernels at the bottom. And if you have a gas stove, you want to work quickly, but if you have an electric stove, it takes a little bit longer to heat up. But so yeah, we're going to just fill the bottom of the pan, just a single layer of popcorn kernels. That looks like it's about right. And then like a tablespoon or two of coconut oil. Kind of difficult. There we go. Just get it started melting there, and then we're going to cover it with our lid. Just going to get a little bit more. We're going to cover it with our clear lid and just watch it. You don't want to leave this alone because it's going to start popping pretty quickly. And once it starts to pop, you're going to kind of shake it a little here and there. So here we got our popping starting. And this whole process actually happens just really quick, so you don't want to walk away from the pan. Give it a little shake every few seconds. And we're just going to let this pop until the popcorn kernels reach pretty much the top of the pan. That's when we're done. And one thing I love about this method is that you don't get a bunch of leftover kernels in the popcorn bag in the microwave. You have tons at the bottom. Pretty much everything here pops. And that is steam coming out the side. It is not smoke. These aren't burning. But once it reaches the top, turn off the heat and even put it to another burner. Just take it off the burner. And be careful, lift off the lid. Make sure you have your bowl ready before you even start this process and dump it in. And then we're going to take it to the table and add our salt. So I like the way this tastes with just salt, but I also like it with nutritional yeast. If you want a more buttery or nutty flavor, definitely try some nutritional yeast on it. And when the kids hear that popcorn popping, they cannot keep their hands away. They don't even give me the time to put the salt on. So that's that. If you've tried making popcorn before, how did it go? And if you've tried this recipe, please let me know in the comments down below, and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video.